Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart App Develop, your go-to channel for building decentralized applications with Solidity. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of Dapp developers. Okay, let's learn array in Solidity. In this contract, I define a uint 256 array and also define other array with that type and initialize these numbers. And also this is fixed size of array. This array size is 10 and this is dynamically. Okay. In this function I can get the value of array by index. For example, first section of array start from indexing 0, then 1, then 2, and n. With getArray, we can get the values of array with this function. With the function push, we can add value to array. With pop, we can decrease the array length by 1. GetLength function return the length of array. With remove function we can remove array index by this delete keyword. Okay. And also this is example that set values by for loop. I deploy this contract for you for testing that. Okay. I can push number for array 10, then 20, then 30. Okay. I can get array with these values. The length of array is 3. And okay, we can pop. When I click length, return me 2. I pop again, return me 1. Okay, that's nice. This is array. Thanks for watching. Smart app develop, cheap building, cheap learning, and let's create the future of Web3 together. Peace out.